This savory vegetable tart looks just as good as it tastes. Try it out for yourself. The secret is vegetables cut into very thin slices. Cut the ends off the zucchini, peel the carrots, and then cut the vegetables into slices lengthwise, making sure the slices are very thin so that they are flexible and easy to roll up. Now we're going to make the bechamel sauce. Heat the milk in a small saucepan and grate in the nutmeg. Meanwhile, melt the butter, add the flour all at once, mix them together, and once you've made the roux to thicken the sauce, pour in the milk. When you add the hot milk, make sure you keep mixing until all the lumps are dissolved. It's perfectly normal for there to be a few lumps at first. This step will be easier if you do it bit by bit, so pour in the milk a little at a time. Add a pinch of salt to taste and stir the sauce until it reaches the right thickness. Transfer the sauce to a bowl and leave it to cool down. Next, mix the eggs and grated cheese together in a bowl. Now combine the egg and cheese mixture with the chilled bechamel, and then everything is ready to put the tart together. Next, take a roll of round puff pastry and press it into the cake tin. I recommend using a springform tin, which will make it much easier to remove the tart from the tin once it's cooked. Prick the bottom with a fork and pour in the bechamel, egg and cheese mixture. And then it's time to add the vegetables. Arrange them in concentric circles in the shape of a rosebud, alternating between a circle of carrots and a circle of zucchini. Once you've made sure you've filled in all the gaps in the vegetable layers, carefully roll the edges of the puff pastry inwards at the top. Then brush everything, including the edges and the vegetables, with a little extra virgin olive oil, and finally sprinkle with a little salt and pepper, and bake the savory tart at 180 degrees for 45 minutes, then let it cool down before removing it from the tin. And here is our finished savory vegetable tart, looking as beautiful as promised. Now let's see if it also tastes as good. It's both delicate and delicious.
Bon appétit!